In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. Now, for those of you who don't know, Coinbase Pro no longer exists, or at least in its separate form. It's now called Advanced Features and it's already integrated into Coinbase. So in order to access this, you could come to the top here and you could just click on this toggle. Another way to access it is to go to the hamburger icon on the top left and then click on Advanced on this toggle here. And if this is your first time, you will be greeted with this screen and you'll see all the features here. And then you can click on Continue to Coinbase Advanced. And you'll notice the splash screen changes here and that our Coinbase has also changed. And again, this is my first time, so they want me to sign up to trade. I'm not going to do that now. You are more than welcome to set that up. And as you can see here, we've got all of our regular features like spot and so forth. So this is Coinbase Pro in every sense of the word, just named differently and integrated within Coinbase. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.